Hey, welcome back to the studios. It's Corbellic. I'm going to be having a special announcement that I want to talk about. Every single month now, I'm going to be having a challenge, a paint challenge inside the community, where that way it's going to bring us all together. It's going to be really fun. It's going to be engaging, but that way it's also going to make sure that you're being held accountable. It's make sure that I'm being held accountable, but also you could win a prize. There's going to be $100 cash prize that you can win. Also, you can get a one-on-one meeting with me that's valued over $250 by itself. So you'll be winning the cash and you'll be winning a one-on-one meeting with me. So that way I could do a self-diagnosis on your account. I can look under the hood to see what your campaigns are, to see what you're running from your auctions. I can build out a routine for you so that way you're ahead of time. So that way you're not just painting listings for today, but you're also going to have some breathing room into your business. I'm telling you, everybody who scheduled a one-on-one with me, they already see overnight that they're getting more sales from their buy it now store, from their auctions. So this value alone is going to be worth it. And to join in this challenge, it's going to be free. You don't have to do anything. You just click the link below so you can join, and then you'll be able to participate. And like I said, the challenge is going to be really simple. I have a system where I built up a tool on here where every single day it's going to create a new prompt for us. It's gonna create a new reference prompt for us, and we don't know what it is. It's going to be something unique, something different. But every single month it's going to have its own theme. So we're going to start this off starting on May 1st, which is next Friday, and you have every single day to pull up, to show up, and to show your receipts on here, but also copy the prompt references, paste it into whatever kind of art reference app that you're using, from Grope to DaVinci to I used to use Imagine, or I think it was called Imagine AI, and I mean whatever you can use. That way you can just pull up the prompt and you can put it in there. So I'm going to show you the first step of that, how we're going to do that, and then I'm going to go over how we're going to do the policy of, like, how you can win and how we're going to be able to show up. It's going to be such a fun thing that we're going to do every single day. All right. So let me show you right here. Here is our challenge right here. So this one is just an example right here. I pulled up a one for April just so you can see what it's going to look like when we're going to be progressing through it day by day. Now, each day that goes by, you're going to get whatever the daily prompt is. So you won't be able to know what tomorrow's prompt is. It's only going to generate for each day. So that way you're not going to be painting ahead of time. And that way you're also held accountable, and everybody else is, to make sure that you're showing up on that day. All right, really cool stuff. So let's just say, for example, if we started our challenge today on the 19th, or not today, today's the 21st, but let's just say if we started it off on the 19th, okay? It's automatically going to pull up two prompts for us. So only thing that we're going to do, we're going to take a copy of it, and then we're going to go to our AI art app. Me preferably, I like to use Grok, and then we're going to go to Imagine in the Grok, and then we're just going to paste. You don't have to read it out. We don't have to know what it is. We're all using the same type of reference. We're all using the same type of reference. So that way we can just pull up and then we can show what kind that we're using. Now, the thing that's cool, you don't have to choose any kind of one. You could choose a reference, whichever one that you want to paint from. So you see how it's giving us a bunch of different options. You could just select the one that you actually want to work on. So for me, I think I would like to work on this painting right here. So I would save it, and then I would put it into my notes. I would save it. I would put it into my computer folder, and then there. Now on to the next one. Let me copy the second one. This is the second prompt, and let's paste it in here. And let's see what it gives us. Beautiful. Rolling hills, some type of landscape, but it's bright, beautiful. And then I'm going to choose the one that more like piques my interest or my eye that I want to do, but we're still based off of the same reference. All right. So I'm just going to choose this one right here. So let me put a heart on it, and then I would do the same thing. I would save it, and then I would put it into my folder. Okay. So that's what we're doing right there. Now let's just do another one, okay? So let's just say if it's the next day, all right? So I started here on the 19th. After you're done, after you're done doing those and you copy those prompts, you have the references ready in your folder. Then when you paint them, and then you post it inside the community. You're going to post it inside here on this same paint challenge post. You're going to post it so that way I know the day that you're pulling up, the day that you're showing. I can make sure that you're held accountable because it does a timestamp on there. But also what you're going to do, you're going to click this button right here that both paintings are finished. So what it does on the calendar, it's going to put in green that you actually showed up that day, that you didn't miss that day. Because at the end of each week, I want you to take a screenshot of this calendar right here, and I can see how many days that you showed up. And I can also match it to the timestamp of the week or how many times that you showed up on the timestamp within the community. So that way I can know how many days that you showed up, who was the most consistent, okay? Now let's just go to the next day. So if we were going to the 20th, right? We just finished the 19th, then let's copy this one. Let's see what it is. I don't know what it is, but it already has the prompt ready for us. Look, we just go in here, we paste it. I don't know what it's going to be. Oh, look at that. It's a cool fox. Look how cool that is. So we could just choose which one that we would want to work with, whichever one that we would actually like to paint. For me, I'm going to go with this one right here. So I'm going to put a heart on it. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to save the picture. I'm going to put it into my local folder. And then that way, I'm able to pull it up later. Now let's go on to the next prompt, the second prompt, because there's only going to be 2 prompts for the day. 2 prompts for each day. That's 2 paintings each day. Let's go on to the next one. Let's see what we pull up with. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. It's a cardinal bird, a red cardinal in the sun or in the snow. So we would just use this, whichever reference that you want to paint. Me, I want to choose this one. So let's do the same thing. I'm going to save it. Boom, it's saved. And then what I'm going to do after I paint those 2, the fox and the cardinal, I'm going to come down here. Both paintings are finished. So that way on the calendar, it's going to show that it's in green. Let's do one more just so you can get the gist of what I'm saying. Copy, paste, and this is for day 3. Look at that. It's like a rainforest. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to choose this one. And then we would do the same thing. We would save it. Let's go on to the second prompt. And let's see what this one gives us. Oh, look at that. It's like a beautiful rainforest, but you can see how it gave us beautiful colors, beautiful lights, different things that we could play around with. Let's see which one that I would like to create. I want to do this one, so I would save it. And there we go right there. So that way you can see how you're able to generate them day by day by each of the prompts. We're just doing 2, and then you paste it in here into this post of the paintings that you've done, the beautiful paintings in your own style. There is no right or wrong. This isn't a beauty contest, so I don't want you to think that it has to be whoever has the best art. This isn't an art class. It's just about you showing up and letting the market decide. But it's also going to get you into being accountable, but also producing. So the daily rules are very simple. How it's going to work is it has to be completed and it has to be posted that same day. You can't post it the next day and say, oh, I forgot to post yesterday's work. This is yesterday's, because it does have a timestamp on there. So it has to be shown for whatever day it is that you've done for those 2. And then at the end of the week, I would say Friday or Saturday, send a weekly screenshot. Send a weekly screenshot of the progress calendar so I can see how many days are in green or how many days that you might have missed. Because let me show you right here on the calendar. It will show you right here. It says green for completed, red missed, and then today's day. So it will show whichever days that you missed or whatever days that you did show up. And then the top 3 consistent members, those are going to be the ones who are going to be selected by me, whichever ones that showed up the most in both, had the engagement into the community, and then you're going to win $100 cash. However you want to receive it, either PayPal, Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, whichever way, however you want to, however you want it. Plus, we're going to set up the one-on-one coaching with me, and you can set that up within the same week. So that way we can schedule it in for you, and then I can go into your account and let you know what things that you need to work on and how we're going to make sure your account is built up. So you can see it right here, how the winners are going to be picked. It's not going to be a random drawing whatsoever. I'm selecting the winners based on consistency. The two things is the daily post in the thread, showing your artwork, making sure it's on time within that 24-hour gap, the calendar of your screenshots, they're matching up, and that's it. So there's no extra cost to enter. If you're already an elite member, then you could already participate for free. The app is already here for you, so you could click on it. Only thing that you need is whatever kind of AI art app that you're using anyway, from Grok, ChatGPT, DaVinci, or anything like that. And you can use any kind of art tool that you can find. I mean, most of them are free. Even Grok is free. I think it's within the first 10 prompts of the day. So you could just plug those in right there because you're only using 2 of those prompts. And then that's it. So May 1st is next Friday. I'm excited. You have time right now to join us in the elite community. So that way you can do this too. Look, you can't lose. You can't lose. Look, you're going to get your money back. You're going to win $100 cash, and you're going to have a meeting with me, which is valued over $250. So that way I could go into your account, I could fix it up, tell you what to do. So only thing you're doing is painting. You're doing the same thing of what you were doing anyways, but this time it's going to be more fun. It's going to be engaging. So that way we can use the new tool in here. So that way it could just provide us different references. And then out of it, when this is the cool thing that I'm excited about, when this is all said and done at the end of each month, you're going to have new reference styles that you're familiar of painting. You're going to be able to think outside of yourself, and then you're going to have an array of different collectors. So this challenge is really helping you so you can find new collectors for yourself and new market, because sometimes as artists we're biased and we only like to paint what we like or references of what we like, but this is going to force you to get outside yourself. You're only doing 2 a day to show up. It's going to be fun. Everybody's going to be able to see your artwork, and then go from there. So I'm excited about it. I can't wait to see your artwork inside of the May challenge starting next Friday. I'm going to see you there.